Okay guys, I'm going to show you the jackhammer dance move. Now, with the jackhammer dance move, you want to get nice and low, so bend the knees, sit into it. Now from here, we want to start with our fists down near the lower abdomen, and we're going to go up, up. Now notice how I'm making a nice strong shape with my upper body here. My arms, the elbows are really cocked out, and the forearms are nice and straight, so they're not lazy and loose like this, and at the same time they're not too low. And in terms of the height of the movement, I'm lifting it up to about chest height, okay? So from here, all you got to do is just lift the arms up, push your butt back, and pump. So what I'm doing is, as I'm lifting it down, I am thrusting forward with my hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Let me show you side on, because you'll get a better view of what I'm doing with my hips and the torso of my body, which is really probably the most important part of this dance move. So, nice and low, up, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to make a couple of points here. I'm lifting it back and I'm thrusting forward, okay? Now what I'm doing here is, if you look at my lower back here, I'm rounding it out, okay? I'm rounding it off. There's no arch in it at all. And then when I lift it up, I poke my butt back out. As I bring the fist down again like this, rounding my spine out, okay? This creates the hip movement. So it's all about changing the way your lower spine arches, controlling that movement with your muscles, and then making it pop, pop. You can even do it with one arm if you like. Let this other arm hang down. You can get nice and wide. Lean out to the side. The move is essentially just the arm movement coupled with that lower hip movement. So once you've practiced that, guys, let's try that to the music.